Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about meditation and how you can use tapping to help you meditate better. We're going to do a little bit of tapping to get you relaxed and calm so that you can then go into a meditation. A lot of people struggle with meditating because of a racing mind, fidgeting, not being able to focus, and tapping can really help you there. Before we dive in though, my name is Sandra. I am the author of Tapping into Abundance using EFT tapping and the law of attraction to change your mindset and turn your life around. And if you want to do just that, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to work with me one-on-one, I do offer a free clarity session. It's a half-hour session of questions so that you can get clear about what is keeping you stuck, why you're not moving forward, where those beliefs are coming from, what those beliefs are, and what you can do about them. It's a really valuable session, and if you're wanting to work one-on-one with someone, it's a great opportunity to get clear about what your priorities are and how important it is for you to make these changes. There's a link in the description field below this video for how you can book that clarity session. So getting back to the subject of meditation, a lot of people struggle with meditation, and at times even I still struggle with meditation. If you're the sort of person that is very heady, then it can be tricky to calm yourself down, calm your body down, to calm your mind down. Now there's a lot of different meditation techniques. I have some guided meditations on this channel, and I use a lot of guided meditations in my courses because they're really powerful. And they're probably one of the easier ways to work with a meditation because you're given something to do while you're meditating. You're not just trying to focus on your breathing or be mindful or still the mind or that kind of thing. But tapping can really help you with all of these, whether it's a guided meditation or whether you're trying to practice mindfulness. Tapping can help you. It can help calm the nervous system down. When we're struggling to meditate, it usually means that we're allowing ourselves to get distracted. We're being distracted by our monkey mind, or we're being distracted by the discomfort in our body. Often we'll come to meditation because we're looking for a way to gain more of a sense of self, more of a sense of calm and peace. And so we may come from being more of an anxious sort of person or someone who's struggling with feeling in a certain way. And so we're coming to meditation often looking for it to fix a feeling or to fix a state of mind or a state of being that we're not happy with. So when we come to meditation, it isn't easy. It's not easy to sit for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, or even an hour or two to be able to just do that. In our culture, it's all go, 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 do. And sitting and doing meditation requires us to just be present in the moment, not be doing. And that's a really difficult thing for us to do. So just understand that it's not just you that has this problem. A lot of people have this problem. And just because you do struggle to meditate doesn't mean you have to give up. It doesn't mean you're a terrible meditator. It doesn't mean that you'll never get to be a good meditator. It just simply means that you have to learn to persevere no matter how non-meditative your 10 minutes is. You could spend the whole 10 minutes trying to bring your mind back to what it is that you're focusing on. That's okay. Meditation's a habit. It's something that gets better the more you do it, and that's really the key to it, is just practicing and giving yourself permission to have your mind wander from time to time. And at the beginning, that time to time is probably going to be pretty frequent. A wandering mind, anxiety, fidgeting in the body, these are all reactions to our brain being in a beta wave state. When we're going into meditation, we're going to slow those brain waves down into an alpha state, and you can even go into a theta state, right through to a gamma state with meditation. But at first, you're really aiming to get a bit of an alpha state. So this means calming the mind down, and you can do this through the body. EFT is wonderful at calming the body down because it calms the nervous system down. So what I want you to do is just focus on how you're feeling right here, right now. And if you were to go into try to meditate, what's the first thing you notice? Do you notice tension in your body perhaps? Does it feel like you just can't relax in your body? Your body just wants to move. Okay, that's your nervous system being all pumped up. So what we're going to do is calm the body. So just tapping on the points, no karate chop point, just tapping on the points and repeating after me. Here I am with a restless body. I'm feeling the resistance. Resisting being still. I'm resisting being still. Maybe it doesn't feel safe to be still. There's things to do. I can think of a whole list of things to do right now. But I'm trying to meditate. I'm trying to just focus my mind, slow it down. And I feel all of this tension in my body. Like it's resisting it. Feeling this feeling of resistance. Feeling the feeling of resistance in my body. Feeling a little bit of restlessness. Feeling restless in my body. I want to fidget. I want to move around. Even have a scratch. It's so difficult trying to meditate right now. And I tell myself that I'm not a good meditator. Too much fidgeting. All of this restlessness. But what if I could just allow myself to observe this restlessness? Just watch it. Watch the resistance in my body. Just observe it. What if I can be still and safe at the same time? What if I can be relaxed and safe at the same time? What if I can be relaxed and safe at the same time? There's plenty of time to do the things I need to do. They can all wait. What if it's safe to be still? And just enjoy the feeling of stillness. Taking a deep breath and letting it out. Now, as you're tapping, you may have other things that come up for you about what you're struggling with. Maybe it's things you're worrying about. Maybe it's things that you're concerned about that's coming up next in your schedule. You could be thinking about so many different things. If you would just allow yourself to tap on what it is that you're thinking and feeling in your body, your nervous system will calm down, and then when you go to meditate, it's going to be so much easier to be able to sit and do the meditation, whether that's for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour or more. The tapping will really help because it's already calming you down. It's already getting you into an alpha wave state. So all you have to do then is just follow whatever meditation procedure you're following. Tapping is amazing. I love talking about it. I love doing it because it is just such an amazing technique, and I found it so helpful for myself, and I found it so helpful for my clients as well. The self-development route or the spiritual development path is not an easy path, and we're up and down on this path. It's never always, roses and butterflies and unicorns. There's times when this kind of work can actually really, you get down and you feel like giving up because you put so much work into what it is that you're doing for so long, and then something happens or something comes along and we discover we've still got a lot of stuff that's taking us back into the old ways again. It's a process that every time you do this work, every time you meditate, every time you tap and you work on yourself, you're getting further and further closer to your goal, and your life is changing as you do it. So if you do want to change your life and you want to do some coaching with me, do book that free clarity session to get clear about what is keeping you stuck, what's keeping you in self-doubt, what's stopping you from reaching your potential, and what's stopping you from stepping into your power and feeling like an empowered divine being. So the link to that is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra, and I'll see you on the next video.